Hey guys, tomorrow is my birthday. Yeah, so we just have come back from town. We went to like buy a few birthday stuff so that we can have like a birthday tomorrow. I am turning 14. I am so thankful to God, and I am so excited to like start a new year, to start a new coolness and to just grow up. Welcome to today's vlog, and today's vlog is my 14th birthday. This thing is so cute. Like, it has this happy birthday in like silver place, and it has like this plain place. So cute. So I just decided to blow the balloons tomorrow because my mom was like, what if it like bursts or something? So it's better I do that tomorrow. So anyway, right now we want to watch. We're just going to be watching, which is cool. Probably have some marshmallows as we chill and have a good time. But I am really so excited. Like, I mean, really so excited. I am so excited. Turn 14. But yeah, I just wanted to give you a little bit of what was happening the night before, so that like you know how we were like preparing. I tried to burn the marshmallow. It's stretchy, but it's not nice. Hi guys, so I thought I would see you tomorrow, but anyway, my mom is making the birthday cake right now.
You're making the fruit cake!
Hey guys, good morning. So I just woke up some time ago, probably like an hour ago. Yeah, but it looked like I just woke up. So I got this Dove beauty cream, and I just wanted to use it on my real birthday. So yeah. Looks creamy. So first let me wash my face and brush my teeth, and now we can put this on. So it's kind of like a moisturizer for this. So now I am going to try and is it called inflate the balloons? Hi guys, so it is a bit later. I thought that I could like treat myself to lunch. It was like, I know supper will be really good, but still
Nice. I love making like cooking or baking or trying out new things.
My reflection.
I mean, yeah. So yeah, let's make spring rolls. This is how they look, but they are not like really good, like looking very good, but who cares? Cheers. Hi guys, so it is sometime later and we talked to a friend. It was so much fun. We talked for like a whole hour and right now I showered and I'm just wearing this. Like I don't feel like doing an outfit of the day because it's like obvious, but now we want to like take a birthday pic before my mom picks the camera. So yeah, let's take some. Weird. So right now we are playing Snap. It's kind of like a game and it's not like a game. It's a game with cards.
So here is supper. Birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear.
Happy birthday to you. May God bless you today.
All the days of your life. Happy birthday.